Coupert review: can you save money? So Coupert is a free browser extension and shopping tool that automatically finds and applies coupon codes. So it offers cashback rewards and compares prices while you shop online. It works on major browsers like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and more, and supports thousands of retailers. So it sounds similar to a different extension like Honey, but we don't talk about Honey anymore. But for the pros of Couport over here, it does have automatic coupons and easy saving. So with that, you should already expect that you can save money. Not all the time though, since it's only available if a coupon is available and there are other options that is available. So this will be able to help you in that kind of way. So it is free to use. The extension costs nothing to install. You only benefit when a coupon or cashback offer applies and exists. So there's wide store coverage, so it will help with that, and generally positive user feedback. There aren't that many cons when it comes to Coupert as well, but maybe if you count it not always being effective as a con, then so be it. There are browser performances that can impact this. So some people report that the extension can slow their browser apparently, but I guess that's not always the case. But as a final verdict, if you're really asking if it can save you money, then yes, it can, but not always. Coupert is a legitimate and useful tool for many online shoppers, particularly if you like automatic coupon application and earning cashback with minimal effort. So it is free, easy to install, and widely supported, so making it a good add-on to your shopping routine. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.